Hey guys! Oh, I've got a little problem here. Just a problem solving. Okay. This kitchen utensil is broken, and of course this can be welded, but before welding it we must put a reinforcement, because welding it will not be sufficient enough. Once, because of this very thin one, once this is accidentally flicked, it will break again. So let's do the reinforcement. Okay, I have got two metal here. This is maybe 1/16 thick. Alright, what we do here, insert that metal, same here. Fine up. Alright, so let's drill this little thing here, but not penetrating from this side, only on this layer here, going through this. Right. Okay folks, so that's how to do it.